Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add or change your phone number on your Get Your Guide app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then here all you have to do, you just click here on profile here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on mobile phone number, you just click on it. Then here add your phone number here. So when you add it, you just click here on save. So then here automatically it's going to save video on your your GitHub. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.